First of all, this is the first Job Connect Mela in West Zone in the new year of 2021. So I would like to greet each one of you, your family members, your teachers, and all your near and dear ones a very happy new year. 2020 was the year when the entire country, each one of us, we were struggling to cope with coronavirus, and now we are looking forward to new things. Virus has also come down, but I am happy that all of us are taking precaution and all of you are wearing masks. This is an occasion which Hyderabad City Police always gives top priority, and that is why I am really grateful to the institution of Anwarul Ulum College and particularly Janab Mujahid Ahmad Khan Sahab for being our partner in such a good initiative. I also take this opportunity to compliment my colleague in City Police, Joint Commissioner of Police, West Zone, Shri A.R. Srinivas Garu, and all the team members of West Zone, represented by Additional DCP Iqbal Siddiqui and all the ACPs, Narendra, Ganesh, Shiv Maruti, and the sheet anchor of this program, Shiv Chandar, SHO. We also have Additional DCP in charge of SHE team, Shirisha, who has been working very hard to see that crime against women in the city is reduced to minimum. This is an occasion when I was received by the NCC cadets, and the word of command of the parade commander and the perfect immaculate drill shows the discipline, dedication, practice and hard work of this college and institution. For this, I compliment all the teachers, all the staff members. Friends, as you know, that right from beginning, the TMI, a company represented here by Sandeep, and earlier we have partnered with many companies to conduct this program. This is a very, very unique program in the country. No police in any big city, whether it is Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, does this program. This is a very unique thing of Hyderabad City Police, that we try to match the demand and the supply, the need of a company and available resources, human resources in the form of young boys and girls. And so far, more than 15,000 students, they have got jobs. There was a small gap because of Corona. As you know, almost every activities was suspended because of Corona, and that is why now in 2021, if I remember correctly, this is the second program after North Zone where such a good response has come from all the companies. So I am really grateful to all the companies who have sent their HR manager, recruiters, who would be interviewing each one of you and trying to take you to the next level of your life. Friends, life is always a big journey. There is no destination of life. You have to keep on adding new things to your life. And that is why first step of a long journey is most important. Why I am saying this is that 100% satisfaction level may not be there anytime, but you are getting a good opportunity. So don't miss this opportunity. Take this opportunity, whatever job you are getting, add some work experience, and then you can always improve. You can always go to next job, third job, fourth job. But what is most important is the first step in the journey. So be bold, have a sense of initiative, and work hard and make a name for yourself. You are aware that because of Corona, there are many companies which are not doing well. So there may be certain problems at various places, but despite that, so many companies have come, and I am happy to hear that more than 2,500 registration of boys and girls have taken place. That shows the determination and hard work, the positive sense which each one of us are having. So I really congratulate each one of you, and I expect that everything is done in a very fair manner. And as you know that the greatest strength of our country is democracy. Democracy is that where everyone is treated equally. Everyone gets an equal opportunity. So we are providing this platform with you, and I am really thankful to all my police officers, those who have done an excellent job. I would like to mention here, in the last 1.5 years, Hyderabad City Police, we have got more than 4,000 new police officers, and very large number of police officers are women officers. You can see here also many officers are here. We are the first city in the country where every new vacancy, suppose there is 100 vacancy, 30 seats will go to women officers, because we want equal participation of women in every field. And let me tell you, the women officers, those who have joined our department, they are equally competent. They do everything which men officers do, including the protection of Commissioner of Police Hyderabad. It is done by women officers. We are the first building in the important police building in the country. So I have a lot of sense of hope, and I am sure this day will be a memorable day to most of you, when you will be starting a new phase of life and transiting yourself from student to a job worker. So that's all from my side. I convey my good wishes to each one of you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.